Hi, I'm Liz from Laser Hair Removal and Skin Clinic, and today I'm here with Jenna, and we are going to go over laser hair removal consultation. So what brought you in today, Jenna?
Well, I've always had a problem area in my underarms, and that no matter what kind of razor I use or how often I shave, I feel like you can always kind of see a shadow. And definitely, if I shave in the morning, by the afternoon, I would need to shave again, and also just some razor burn and some stubble. And so it's just an issue I'm tired of dealing with, and I'm ready to find out what I need to do, and if I'm a candidate for laser, so I
Right.
don't have to shave anymore.
Okay. Well, you're definitely a candidate. I mean, you have dark hair, you have light skin, so you're the perfect candidate for laser.
Great.
It will take several treatments to get rid of the hair permanently.
Okay.
Laser will only see dark hair, so you will only be able to get rid of dark hair with laser. It doesn't see red, blonde, or gray hair. So if you have any of those colors, we can do electrolysis with the lighter colored hair.
Okay.
But I have a feeling yours is all dark right now.
Yeah, it's all dark hair.
Yeah, so it's perfect time to come in before anything starts turning gray, and you're way too young for that. But we have a lot of people that they may come in, they're a little bit later on in life, and they've got maybe two different color hairs going on. So anyway, let me explain how this works. It's a really simple process. What happens is that the laser is attracted to dark. So it's attracted to the melanin in your skin and the dark root of the hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the laser beam over the top of your skin, and it's going to heat up this hair follicle. And what happens when you heat up the hair follicle, it actually will make the hair fall out. So we're actually shrinking the follicle down, and we're actually creating the hair to fall out. So the appointments are somewhere about 6 weeks apart. As you go on, the treatments may be pushed out further because the hair comes in slower and slower and finer with every treatment. So some people will take 6 treatments, some people may only take 5. So we won't know till we start working on you.
Okay.
So anyway, I'm going to draw you a really simple elementary kind of a picture here, but it'll help you understand this a little bit more. So let's say this is the hair under your underarms, okay? Well, underneath your skin, you actually have all these other little hairs. So hair falls out, there's another one to replace it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, if this is a laser beam and I'm running it over your skin, it's treating the hair on the surface, but it's also treating the hair underneath the skin too.
Okay.
So what happens is these little hairs are going to start working their way out. So when you're in the shower, what I want you to do is I want you to just take a washcloth or a light loofah or whatever, and just gently go in circular motions under your arms. What that's going to do, it's going to help those hairs exfoliate. So it's going to keep you from getting ingrown bumps. So sometimes the hair is having a hard time pushing its way through. So to avoid any kind of bump, just exfoliate, and those hairs are going to slide out. So it'll take about a week or so before the hair really loosens up and falls out. And then you'll have a couple of weeks of like no hair, and then when you're ready to come back in for your second treatment, you're going to start seeing a little bit of hair just creeping back in. So okay, we're ready for that next treatment, and then the same thing all over again. The hair's going to fall out, and you'll have less and less every time you come in.
So as soon as I start seeing a few hairs come back in.
Yeah, well, we'll make your appointments for you. Yep, and because we pretty much know, we've been doing this for so long, that about every 6 weeks is really a good time frame to come back in. And then, like I said, towards the end of your treatments, maybe about that 4th or 5th treatment, we may say, hey, you know what, if you don't see any hair, call us up and say, hey, I don't see anything here, so push it out a week.
Okay.
And then so it just depends on you. Everybody's different, everybody's situation's different. So someone may take 6 times, someone may take 8, someone may take 4. So but anyway, so that's how that works. The biggest thing is when you're doing lasers is that you can't have a tan in the area. You have to avoid the sun. If you have a recent sun exposure in the area that we're going to laser, it can cause a problem. We can cause hyper or hypopigmentation, or you can burn someone. So you have to avoid the area that that's being lasered from the sun. And then the other thing is photosensitive medication. So if you're, I don't know, you get sick, you get put on an antibiotic, please call us up ahead of time and say, hey, this is what I'm taking, I have an appointment this week. We'll check it. If it's a medicine that's not photosensitive, come on in, we can still work on you.
Okay.
If it is, we'll tell you finish taking it, and we'll see you a week later, okay? So it's pretty simple. The biggest thing is, like I said, is the sun and medications. Other than that, you should not tweeze or wax in an area that you're gonna have lasered, because if you're pulling that hair out, the hair's not present to be able to treat. So we're missing the opportunity to treat that hair. So what that does is it prolongs your treatments, because we're never catching the hair because you're pulling it out. So don't pull any hair out, don't wax. Are you just shaving right now?
Yeah, just shaving.
Okay, that's perfect. That's what I want you to do. Just
Okay.
continue to shave through your treatments, and then pretty soon you're really going to even quit shaving, under there. Yeah. So, any other questions, concerns?
My only question is there pain involved?
It's actually probably usually the first question people ask, but the laser is really a simple process. It's and we actually have a really a new laser. We've only had it about a year now, and everybody's loving it compared to our old laser. So it's barely like a little bit of a pinch, like a heated pinch, and that's about it. The treatments are really quick. To do your underarm, you're out of here like in 5 minutes. So
Oh, that
yeah,
quick. Okay, great.
right. So it doesn't take long at all, and it's I'm not going to say pain free, but I mean it's not going to hurt that much. So.
And so once I get my underarms done, is it a big deal to move into the leg area? I know I kind of have a similar problem with my lower legs, and just that even if I shave in the morning,
Right, you
anyway,
have 5 o'clock shadow on your legs
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
This is the funny thing is when women come in for one area and they see how well it works, they usually end up moving on to another area and they end up doing their whole body sooner or later. So, but yes, you can do your legs, you can do your bikini line, you can do any body part with the laser as long as it's dark hair.
So if it's gonna take, say it takes 6 treatments for my arms, is it safe to bet it's gonna take about the same for my legs, or is it completely dependent in the area?
It
and
depends on the
person?
area.
Okay.
Facial hair is actually a lot of times a hormonal issue for women, so that could typically take a little bit longer than just underarm hair, bikini line, leg hair. Lower leg hair, it's amazing, and within 2 treatments, people are like, wow, do I have any hair left? So the first 2 treatments, you're just amazed that like you barely feel any hair at all, especially if you have real stubbly, like I used to have, I would shave my legs in the morning, and by 4 or 5 in the afternoon, you would feel prickly.
Yeah.
My first laser treatment, I was shocked at how soft my legs were, and it just never really came in, stiff or hard, and it came in really slow. So I loved it for my legs. So
Awesome.
you'll probably be the same way.
Yay.
Yay! So anyway, the biggest thing is the sun. This is we'll give you all the instructions of before and after care. Just have everything shaved before you come in, and sunblock if you're going to be in the sun. And usually your arms are down, so you don't have to worry about that. But I think we're ready to do your first treatment. So
We're gonna do it today?
Yep, we can do it today.
Awesome. Let's get started.
Okay, let's do that.